I'm Omar Steven Diaz, the team lead for PerfectGift, and this video will be a wish list slash shortcomings video detailing what we'd like to further work on the project and some issues we ran into while we were working on it. So, for example, some areas that we know we could further develop on but didn't have the time for were the rate suggestions, where we visually implemented the UI but actually lack the logical handling needed to make it functional. So we'd like to develop some backend logic for that and make sure that it actually is processed by our OpenAI API and takes the ratings into consideration. We'd also like to improve the user questions and make sure that the users are given gift categories that actually result in suggestions. We did have some issues where sometimes a user would run into no suggestions if it weren't anything specifically related to the category provided by OpenAI. And the dashboard as well, we'd like to make it so the user could update their full username as well, because currently we only have it so they can update their email and password. This would help us expand the functionality and sometimes even allow a user to create an account for others that they could provide for them later on. Finally, we'd actually like to work on visual and security improvements. Our website is functional, but it doesn't have enough to it that I believe provides good user engagement and satisfaction, as well as implementing stronger security measures that'll improve the actual posture of the application. In terms of our team acclimating to the actual project, we definitely had a couple team members that were only somewhat familiar with the tech and wanted to better work on it and understand it with specifically Firebase and MongoDB. And so there was a learning curve where we had to adapt performing training sessions, pair programming, and looking at official documentation for these modules and dependencies to better build our project moving forward. We successfully overcame them, working together continuously and learning from everything, and then making sure we also communicated with each other to make sure that everyone was on the same page. So because of this, the team is now proficient with the tech stack, and we know that we can continue to build on this foundation and maybe even introduce some new modules and dependencies that would make everything stronger for us. As a result, honestly, I feel very proud of my team and how much we were able to grow and provide a decent user experience that we still do need to improve upon, as well as improve upon visual and security enhancements. But we'd like to further commit to addressing feedback and implementing features that enhance functionality and user satisfaction. We're very excited to continue working on this, and we thank you for your time.